Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: how to avoid cryptocurrency scams. With the rise of crypto, unfortunately, there's also been an increase in scams targeting both beginners and experienced users. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have clear steps to keep your crypto assets safe and recognize red flags. So, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more valuable content to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency. Let's get started. 1. Understand common types of crypto scams. Knowing the types of scams is the first step to avoiding them. Here are some of the most common ones. Phishing scams. Scammers may create fake websites or social media pages that look identical to legitimate crypto sites to trick you into entering your login details or wallet seed phrase. Pump and dump schemes. Here, a group hypes up a low-value coin on social media, causing the price to rise. Then they sell their holdings, leaving other investors with losses. Fake giveaways. You might see messages or posts claiming that if you send a certain amount of cryptocurrency, you'll get double back. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Ponzi or pyramid schemes. These are schemes where investors are promised high returns on investment. New investors' funds are used to pay previous investors, but the scheme eventually collapses. Investment or trading bots. Scammers offer guaranteed profit by using AI or automated trading bots. Often, these bots are designed to take your money without any return. 2. Never share your seed phrase or private keys. Your seed phrase or private key is like the password to your crypto wallet. Sharing it with anyone gives them full control over your funds. Legitimate companies or customer service will never ask for your private keys or seed phrases, so protect them at all costs. Act 3. Verify websites and social media pages. Double-check URLs. Scammers often create websites with URLs that look similar to popular crypto platforms. Always check the URL carefully and ensure it's spelled correctly. Use bookmarking. Bookmark official websites of exchanges or wallets you use frequently. This way, you'll avoid falling for fake sites when typing addresses. Verify social media accounts. Make sure the social media accounts you follow are official accounts. Look for blue check marks and high engagement. Avoid responding to direct messages asking for your information, even if it looks like a legitimate account. 4. Be wary of unrealistic promises. A common red flag in crypto scams is the promise of high returns with little or no risk. Genuine crypto investments come with risk, and no legitimate investment can guarantee huge profits in a short time. Always approach such promises with caution. 5. Do your own research. Scammers often prey on those who don't fully understand what they're investing in. Before investing in any new coin or project, do thorough research. The team. Who is behind the project? Are they reputable? The white paper. Does it clearly explain what the project does? Beware of projects with vague goals. Community feedback. Check out online forums and reviews. Be cautious if you notice many complaints or unresolved issues. 6. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA on all your crypto accounts to add an extra layer of security. With 2FA, even if a scammer gets your password, they'll also need the second code generated on your device to log in. Authenticator apps like Google Authenticator are highly recommended. 7. Stick to reputable exchanges and wallets. Only use exchanges and wallets with a proven track record. Read reviews, check security features, and avoid new platforms without much information. Popular and established exchanges are less likely to be involved in scams. 8. Be cautious with apps and browser extensions. When using apps or extensions for crypto, make sure to download them from official app stores and verify they come from legitimate sources. Some fake apps are designed to look like real ones but are just tools to steal your data. Keep your software and devices secure. Keep your software up to date. Scammers can exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software to access your accounts. Also, avoid public Wi-Fi for crypto transactions, as these networks are often less secure. 10. Trust your instincts. If it feels off, don't engage. If you have even a slight feeling that something isn't right, take a step back. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so it's better to wait and verify than to act quickly and lose funds. Scammers often create urgency to push you into making quick decisions. Don't fall for it. Conclusion: cryptocurrency has opened up exciting possibilities for investment, but it's essential to stay vigilant and protect yourself from scams. Remember, a little caution goes a long way in keeping your crypto safe. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could benefit from this information. And if you have questions or experiences you'd like to share, drop them in the comments. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next video.